Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is IwantCHIME, aka Chime. This company right here, FEMME LUXE, they contacted me wanting to like basically do a like video haul for y'all. So today I'm gonna unbox it and try all the clothes on. Should I just like rip it? Like just go for it? Just rip it, huh? Just rip it. Okay. Okay, I need to get my weight up. Okay, I see the items. I actually got to pick the items that I wanted, but still. And then they give me the little, what is this? The inventory sheet. So I have that and it has like my information on it. So I'm not gonna like flash this paper anymore. Just throw that to the side, you know what I'm saying? These are the 4 pieces that I got. I'm gonna open them up, see the quality, see if I like it. You know, I'm gonna be real honest with this too. I'm not gonna, you know, I'm gonna be real honest. From looking at some of these through the package, they kind of look like thin quality material. Like it doesn't look like good quality, but I don't know until I open it. I love for the fact that they come in these plastic bags and that they have the little logo right here with a little card. I think that's really like, you know, upscale. Going on their website, I noticed that they're very Fashion Nova-esque. Like, I don't know if it's good to like compare them to Fashion Nova, but that's what the website reminded me of, like straight up Fashion Nova. So this company, let's see what they specialize in. So FEMME LUXE, right? It's FEMME-LUXE. It's basically a forward-thinking online women's fashion brand with high quality, engaged, and loyal following across Instagram and Facebook. FEMME LUXE are rapidly establishing themselves as a leader in the online, affordable, trend-led fashion, women's fashion. So basically, it's an online fashion brand, just like I said, like Fashion Nova. I probably shouldn't, you know, say Fashion Nova no more. Their thing is they want to get high quality, in fashion, like trend-led women's clothing to women online. Yeah, I'm gonna open these up. Let's start with the pants. Pause. So these pants actually didn't fit. I'm just a little too thick for them. I actually went ahead and altered these pants. So if you'd like to see how I did that, go ahead and take a moment to subscribe right now. Turn on your notifications so you'll be updated when I post a video next week. While you're at it, you might as well just like this video. And yeah, moving right along. The next item, long sleeve t-shirt dress. But to be honest, I don't too much know if this is gonna be oversized on me. I'm a little hefty. The shirt says, give in to me. I definitely was gonna say give it to me. From Paris, so they say. This is cute though. I'm about to try it on. It's cute. Yeah. So far the smell smells like a regular store. Like it doesn't smell like too bad or nothing like from China or something, India or something. No, it smells normal. I believe the company is based somewhere here in the United States. I think. The quality of this t-shirt is like a regular long sleeve t-shirt. It's good quality. But this, to be honest, this looks like the type of shirt that if I wash it a few times, it's gonna start changing colors or fading or something like that. The black is a really rich black though. It's a dark black. It's not like a green black or one of them blue blacks. It's a black. This shirt is called the Black Digital Print Oversized T-shirt Dress. The name of it is called the Dell, and I got it in a large. So okay, the next one, I'm kind of excited for this one because this one was really cute on the like model in the picture. So I was like, ooh, this looks like this will look cute on me, so I'm gonna get it. Yeah, this one is called What is this one called? This one's called the Stone Croc Belted One Shoulder Jumpsuit. It's called Evelyn. And I got this in a size 10. You know, I like, you know, stuff to fit right, you know what I'm saying? So that's my biggest problem with online shopping. Like with online shopping, you don't ever know if it's gonna fit you the way it's supposed to fit you. So I be scared to online shop, but I always online shop. Like I prefer online shopping instead of going into the store because I just don't like walking around. So again, with that infamous tag right there, that thing is so cute. I like how they do that. And then it has the little like string. It has their logo. This is the company right here, so you can see. So if you like any of these, go ahead and go check them out. Oh, and if you're a student, they're definitely doing a 10% extra additional discount for students because they're already doing like a 50% discount on their website right now. So that's a total of 60% discount if you really want to go buy their clothes. And like I'm saying, like the quality is really nice. It's not that cheap spandex material. Like this one has even like a print, like a little crocodile type of thing, like a little snake skin type of thing. And it's a one piece. It's off the shoulder and it's long sleeve. I don't know if you can see any of this. And the last but not least, you know, you gotta say the best for last. I really hope this, when I try it on, I really hope this looks good on me. Like I really do, because this was probably like the main piece that I wanted. This piece right here is called the Black Chain Print Belt Satin Dress Rio. The name of it is Rio. I got this in a medium large 12-14. The model had it on in a small, so I just got to size up because I wanted this thing to be like a dress, like a t-shirt dress. I didn't want it to be a t-shirt. I wanted it to be a t-shirt dress. And this gave me a lot of like Versace vibes, so I got this one. Ooh, okay, the quality, okay, with the quality. It's like a satin. I'm not liking this length though, because it looks short. Oh my gosh, it looks short. Ooh, it looks short. It looks shorter than the other t-shirt dress. We're gonna have to try this on for real. Ooh, look at that. This is so cute. Okay. And it comes with a little belt, like to wrap around. Also, the little crocodile skin one came with the belt as well. I forgot what that was called. Evelyn? Yeah. Evelyn comes with the belt. And who is this? Rio? Which one are you? Yeah, Rio comes with the belt as well. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all a short little lookbook. You know what I'm saying? We about to go try these on real quick. I want y'all to leave a comment down below which outfit y'all think is the cutest.